is actually a place I don't like to drive alone. But I haven't been here for many years now, or at least 2 years. So I wanted to check it out. If you remember the last time I was there, this one had been burned down. And now it's completely gone. Okay, I have been up here before. It's too narrow. Too narrow. And nothing new here either. Well, that was a boring video. Yeah, I think I just drive to another place. I have some other places I've never been before, so I want to check it out. So this is the other place. I want to check it out. I've been only up here with a car, and it was a trailer there, but they have burned it down. So I want to check out further up. Many years since I was down there. A little bit narrow. Oh, the old cabin. Cool. When you're out exploring, always park so you're ready to go. If yeah. Actually looks like people have been here for a long time ago. A nice place. I don't want to look inside those. The reason is well, outhouse. This is actually a place, working place, cabin for the quarry. But I think people still, not now, but earlier used it. Not much to see. And over to the next place. This place is actually active working place. cool. An old tractor. Nice. But I want to drive up there. Yeah, this is what I saw on the Google Maps. Oh, this is actually a nice place. Also abandoned, I think, but it looks nice. This one is not old. It doesn't look old. Maybe 30 years ago since I built it, or last painted it. Nice. It probably is still in use, or have been in use not long ago. Problem going alone, exploring new places is like, well, you don't have any backup. Old stove. Cool. Old stove over there. Ah, a nice small cabin. A washing pan or pot and a water bucket. And the whole building is actually made from modern style, not old style, modern style. It's not homemade. I'm actually revisiting this place. I think it's 2 years ago since I was here last time. The reason I want to visit this place again is because I think it's a little bit, I don't know, scary for us. Maybe it's because so thick with trees there. But I think it's really beautiful here. But I see I'm a little bit late. Everything is like, yeah, dead of the plants.